Hey, welcome back. Today's video is all about vintage cameras. You know, these days you are going to the basement for no reason. Yesterday was a day like that for me, and I found cool stuff. I found an old tape, and I found old photography camera, even this old box. It's very heavy actually. This old box is a video camera that used by a channel called Antenna here in Greece. And I thought it was a cool video, it would be a cool video to make. So let's get into it after some movies here in the studio. Let's go. The first set is already about the vintage tape, so here are the shots. You know these vibes that goes on when you go to the basement and you find old stuff, old cameras, old tapes from your grandparents or parents when you're young, when you're around 25, 30 years old maybe, and think about how life was in the 70s, 80s and 90s. That's what I got when I went there and saw these tapes and cassettes and video cameras and all of this stuff. Thank you for tuning in this video. See you in the next one.